Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. Practically it could be almost any Hyundai vehicle guys. If you have airbag light and you have any of the following two codes, I'm talking about code B1329 or code B1334, stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that, how to fix it and what the problem is. Now before we start guys, let me tell you, we'll be demonstrating on a Hyundai Sonata, but actually it may be helpful on other Hyundai models, and some of those could be maybe helpful on Hyundai Sonata, Elantra, Tucson, Santa Fe, Veloster and Accent as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So we have that Hyundai Sonata that will be demonstrating these two codes and what triggers them. This is the computer that we'll use for the diagnostics. Let me tell you a little bit about that device. It's amazing guys, lifesaver. We'll put the link in the description of the video below, and it can pay itself off in one-time use. You can see where we bought ours from. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's a super sweet computer guys. You can, Hyundai is right here, you can read, delete code, see live data for every computer module in your car, and some Hyundais, they have quite a few guys. This one has I think only 17 computers, but some Hyundais may have even more than that. So I'm coming inside now, okay, and let's explain what we have here now. Okay, we're going to find the OBD port under the dash, connected. Okay, turn the ignition switch on that Hyundai vehicle. Okay, let me get the ignition. Turn it on before we start the car to see the lights on. Okay, like that. Great. Now, this is the computer right here, guys. Okay, let's explain what we'll be doing. So we'll select VIN. It will auto-detect it, and it will tell us which vehicle we have. You will notice that when you have these codes, your airbag light will be on, and it will not go off, guys. It will just stay on. So it's decoding the VIN information. We select USA vehicle. Yes, we confirm this is the correct one. Control unit, we select airbag system, and then you have two different parts of the airbag system that you can scan. So start with 1, see what's there, and then go to 2 if you don't have any codes here. Click read codes, and now the 2 codes right here on the bottom, ignore those. This is because there is malfunction with the cork spring on this car we'll be fixing. The top 2 codes guys, okay, you will see it says 1329. It's front impact sensor on the driver, communication error on the driver's side, and this one says B1334, active front impact sensor on the passenger side. If it says active, it means that the code is happening at the time of scanning, and most likely there is a problem there guys, so you need to fix it. And what you do, you turn the ignition switch off. Now every time working on the airbag system guys, consider this entertaining video, not a how-to video. Airbags can kill you guys, so they're dangerous. You need to disconnect your car battery for at least 1 hour. We're going to go ahead do that, and on these modern cars it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative, so you don't cause damage to electrical system, airbags, modules and things like that. So we'll go ahead do that, wait 1 hour and we'll continue. So on this Hyundai vehicle guys, okay, we removed the grille and we want to show you what's causing these things. Somewhere on your Hyundai on the front you will have most likely 2 impact crash airbag sensors. Those are the ones guys. One says driver side, one says passenger side. So as you can see, okay, let's see the numbers. Okay, in our case I think they're almost identical. They're practically I think identical, but one is for the driver side, one for the passenger side. Those are the wires. The problem here is that if somebody will replace your radiator support, car was in an accident, it could be that the sensors are disconnected or broken or damaged while working on your car, or the wire somewhere is broken as well. Also you have to make sure that they're plugged in correctly, because there is a certain procedure that you need to follow, and they're installed correctly as well guys. Once you unplug them, check them, make sure the wires are in good condition. Okay, if the problem still occurs, maybe you have a bad sensor. Now in our case they were unplugged when we bought that car. Somebody actually the car was in an accident from what we can see. Somebody replaced the radiator support, and we just removed the sensors to inspect them, but those cables were loose. They forgot to plug them in, so that's number 1 mistake that we see here. So we'll go ahead, replug them, and we'll see if the code goes away. So car battery has been disconnected, sensors has been installed, the wires were checked, all that. Stay away from airbags, guys, when you do that, because when you first connect things, just don't stay close to the airbag. Try to go in the, I don't know, somewhere out. When you connect the car battery, we'll turn the ignition switch on. Okay, the computer is still logged in, so we'll escape, click read codes again. Now we're going to, if everything's good, okay, yep, it says history here, guys, so you can see if it's history, it means that the code is not present. What we can do, we can click erase codes, ignition is on, engine is off, we'll click that, read the codes again, and the only two codes that we have are related to the driver side airbag for the steering wheel, because most likely the cork spring is bad, or the connectors for the airbags were melted and they were not replaced, okay, once the airbag was replaced. So you get the idea, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.